Hello, you're welcome. In this video tutorial, I'll explain the project Online Vehicle Service Billing System. This project basically for the service centers. This is an ASP.NET C# backend SQL Server web application project. We all know there are vehicle centers. We send the vehicle for repair. Now this center want to make an online site. Therefore, user can check the services. They can book the service, and this company can raise the bill via internet and then send to the customer. So these are the options we want to provide in this particular software. Therefore, it should help the customer to get the service from this service center without coming to the particular service center. They can also see what are the products available in this service center. Software requirement. Here we are using HTML, C# and Microsoft SQL Server. Along with that, we are using Visual Web Developer as an editor, or you can also use the Visual Studio. Project design. This project will have two modules. One is admin module and the customer module. Two modules. Database tables. We'll see what are the tables we are using in this project. So admin user tab, where you have admin details. Billing tab for billing. Booking tab for booking, service booking. Customer tab to sign up. Feedback, customer can give the feedback. Payment tab, customer can make the payment. Service tab, what are the services available. Spares tab, these are the space available. Vehicle type, so what are the different vehicles they do service. So these are the tables, and we store corresponding data in each table. So please subscribe to our channel. We'll come out many more demo. Also we'll show you like how to do the project yourself, and also we will provide you a lot of project ideas. Therefore, for your curriculum, you can choose any one project and you can able to do the project. Fine. Please subscribe. It is a free. Therefore, you get a lot of advantages. So now let us check the project, how the project works. So first thing is, let me start Visual Web Developer. So go to File menu, open website, and select the folder Bike Service Center. So this project is already done, so therefore I'll demonstrate it like how it works. Right, so here is a solution explorer. So these are the files which are using in the project. And if you go to database explorer, service booking data, this is the database file. If I expand this, I can get a tables. Now you can see the tables over here. Fine. Now let us run the project and check it out. So when you run this project, it will open in a browser. This is the main page, a simple page. So you can plan what way you want. If you want to write your own project, so you can plan it properly and then you can redesign them. So now here is the option to continue to the next page. If I click this, so it's a link button. So when I'm clicking this, it takes to the next page. Here two options, one for customer login, that's the customer module, and admin login to the admin module. First go to the admin login. So user ID is admin and password is admin. Login. So here is the options for admin. So these are the options available for the admin. Here they can enter the vehicle type and the list. List show like what are the types of vehicles we do service. We do two-wheeler service, that is one thing is there. Spare parts. So what are the spare parts available? That list we can write it here. So we have one product now. You want to write one more. For example, what is the spare part name? This is a headlight. So two-wheeler. Detail. So this is a Yamaha vehicle headlight. Right. Price it's around 200 rupees. So if you have picture, we can upload here. But if you don't have picture, at this moment I'll leave it as blank. Okay, save. So record saved successfully. Now if I go to list, I can see that 2 products are there now. Then service charges, if I go to list, there are 2 services we already listed here. Basic service 250 rupees, complete service it is 550. Likewise, we can list other services also. This is the feedback list. If the customer send feedback, the feedback will come to this location. Other than this, we have a customer list. Overall, the customers signed up to this site. The list is available over here. Then booking list. If someone is booking for their service, the list will come here. Advance payment list. So when they book for service, they need to make some payment. That advance payment will be shown in this particular page. And customer billing. Here we can do the billing. So if this book for the service, for that service, we can do the billing. So if A1 is a user, and let's say service charges, so it's 550. Spare charges, it's 200 rupees. Now total, so 750. So headlight is changed. Right. So now save this. A bill is generated. Now we take one more tab. So copy the main address. Go to next page, next tab, and press enter. We'll come back to main page again. Here you can continue. Now go to customer login. I log in as A1, which is already signed up. Login. So here, see the billing list. Okay, there is no bills actually. Okay, we go to vehicle type list. You can see the type, two-wheeler type. And then spare list, what are the spares available. So you want to buy these spares, we can book from here also. Service charges list, what are the service charges for each services. Book service. Now we want to service the two-wheeler, we can search here. So we want a complete service. So we can write the vehicle number here, K05M1234. So customer name. So Arun, mobile number. So then what is the service? Complete service. So when you would like to do, so we want to do it on 12/9/2020. So book service. So it will take me to the payment page. So advance payment, let me make 250 rupees. So dummy payment. So we are paying via credit card. So submit. So your booking successful and your vehicle number is 1234. Then you can go back to the main page. That means you reserve the service for the particular day. There are no bills. Fine. So now I'll come back to this. If I go to booking list, here you can see that 20 Arun is booked for the service. So this shows the advance payment list. So Arun made the 250 rupees advance payment, that is showing here. Customer billing. Now this is a new bill, Arun. Once the service completed, we can put the service charge, that is 550, and spare charge and 200 rupees total. So here is a complete service. Save. Fine. Now you come back to this customer. If we go to billing list, you can see that totally 750 rupees is the billing. So complete service. So it shows the bill also. So now this is a two part. One is admin part, one is a customer part. As the customer is concerned, customer can see the vehicle type. You can see the spare parts. We can see the service charges, and you can book for the service, and you can see the bill. So these are the options which are provided in this project. If you find it's useful, you can buy this project from us, or you can also try yourself to write the complete project by yourself. So in case you would like to contact us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you.